What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, we are playing Animal Company.
Right here is Sprinkle Bottom.
Shut your fucking mouth! Okay, get over here, get over here, get over here. Alright. Ah! Ah! Hey, look, they fixed the mirror. You can actually see people talk in the mirror now. It's cool.
Rawr.
That is A-okay. Because we don't need any mining tools. Where'd you go? Get over here. I don't know where we need to go. I'm scared. Oh, never mind. I know where we need to go. Because we need to go right here.
No, we have to go the other way.
Oh, well, it's too bad. I'm not... Broccoli! I'm getting this broccoli! 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 Okay, that's all the broccoli I'm getting. Broccoli! 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 Help, broccoli! Yo, I saw a purple crystal planet over here. I'm going in. Purple crystal! Purple crystal! Purple crystal! Purple crystal! Give me the purple crystal! Over here, the purple crystal! Help me! Purple crystal! Purple crystal planet! Purple crystal planet! Purple crystal! Purple crystal planet! I'm leaving. I gotta leave this place. I gotta leave this place. I can't stay on Purple Crystal Planet anymore. No! Purple Crystal, no! Purple Crystal! Okay, bye. I'll get just a few more. Okay. Let me get some more. No, I mean one. Alright, I'm going. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm out. I'm out. Oh. Okay, we've made it to the next stage.
What's the next thing?
Look. We're going into the second stage. Hey. What the freak? Where are you?
Right now.
God. Come on. We have to go. We can't go over here. There's nothing over here. We found secret bunker. Hey, yo, bro, why is it so different? Wait. No! Sorry, please. Back in. You also. Go! Back in! if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as it would greatly help our channel. And the videos will be on my hands, and, well, the channel will be on my face if I'm actually not, like, lazy. And I'll see you in the next video.